Hello students. Today we will start the first chapter statistics. This chapter last year also we have studied. It was only for the ungrouped data. Okay. Maybe we have started a little. Now here this chapter marks wise it is most important because a 3-marker question and then in a 1-marker question there will be 2 questions will be asked. 1 marker maybe 1 question and 3 marker 2 questions will be there. So marks wise this is an important chapter as well as it is a very simple, very easy chapter, and we can say that this is a chapter in a commerce. This is a subject in a commerce. Okay, statistics. Okay, see, first of all, statistics we divide it into 3 parts. We have to find out mean. Its symbol is X bar. Okay, X bar. Second is a median. M, capital M, and mode. It is Z. Okay. So in statistics we have to find out 3 things. One is a mean, second is a median, third is a mode. Symbol of mean is X bar line, median M, and mode Z. These 3 things we have to find out. Most accurate answer you will get by finding the mean. Okay, mode is a generalize. Okay, now for each one we can say that we have 2 types of data. Mean, if you have to find out, the data will be of a 2 type. Okay, one is called ungrouped data. And second is grouped data. Okay, one is ungrouped data, second is a group data. Okay, for ungrouped data, the formula maybe earlier in 9th standard we have studied, that is called X bar is equal to sigma xi upon n. Okay, where X bar is equal to mean, sigma xi means it is a sum of the observations. Xi means your observation, sigma is a symbol for sum, addition. Okay, so sigma xi, that means it is a sum of the observation, and n, it indicates the number of observations, how many observations are there. Okay, now in this question, if the frequency is also given, okay, then in place of sigma xi we have to write down sigma fi xi upon n, where fi is a frequency, how many times the observation is repeating. Okay, like we can say in our class, total 5 students got 15 marks. So 15 is a xi, your observation, and how many students got 15 marks? That is a 5. So fi is a 5. Okay, so fi is a frequency. Okay, so generally in this 10th standard we have to use this formula, X bar is equal to sigma fi xi upon n. Okay, this is for the ungrouped data. Clear? So just you have to write down the formulas also whenever you start learning. Okay, so this is first ungroup for ungrouped data. For group data, now just I am removing this. Later these two we will discuss. Okay, this is exercise 14.1, this is exercise 14.2 mode, and this is 14.3. Okay, so at present we just concentrate on the mean, right? So mean, X bar, there are two types of data will be given. One is the ungrouped data, second is the grouped data. In ungrouped data, how we can find out the mean? That X bar is equal to sigma xi upon n. This is for the 9th standard. Now if the frequency is given, then X bar is equal to sigma fi xi upon n. Okay. Now just we concentrate on the grouped data. Okay. So second one is a group data. So just concentrate here. See, due to the smaller size of the board, I am zooming this. Okay. Second is a group data. To find out group data's mean, there are three formulas given. First, second and third. Okay. So here for the group data we have three types of formulas, or on the basis of the requirement there are three formulas. Okay. First one, that is we can say it is a name. 1 minute. First is a direct method. Second is a third one is a step deviation. And second is a assumed mean. Okay, sorry, sequence I forget. First one, direct method. Second is the assumed mean method, and third is the step deviation method. Again we can say direct method, the formula is same. X bar is equal to sigma fi xi upon n. Okay. Here you don't have to find out so many things. X bar is given. Okay. Frequency will be given in your question. Later on we will discuss the questions also. Xi and fi both are given. N we have to calculate. Okay. That is the sum of that is the total of fi is considered as a n. So by this simple formula we can find out by the direct method if it is a group data. Okay. But here maybe we can say that this method is little bit lengthier. Okay. But when in your question it is asked that find out the mean of the given data by direct method, then you have to use this particular formula. Okay. Here for the assumed mean, X bar is equal to A plus sigma fi di upon n. Okay. Little bit addition is there. X bar same, mean A, that is your assumed mean. Okay, how to find out? In questions we will select. Okay, just you have to remember the formula. In place of fi xi, here it is a fi di. Di means deviation. Okay, how much your assumed mean is deviated from your real observation xi. Okay, upon n. And last one, step deviation. Maybe this is the shortest method. X bar is equal to A plus sigma fi ui. In place of di, here it is ui upon n into c, where c is equal to the class length. Okay. Later we will discuss all the steps. Okay. So these are the three formulas you have to learn first. Okay, it is given in your textbook also. First is a direct method, formula X bar is equal to sigma fi xi upon n. Second is a X bar is equal to A plus sigma fi di upon n. And third, X bar is equal to A plus sigma fi ui upon n into c. So these are three formulas you have to remember. And if in your question, if it is given that find out the mean by direct method, then you have to use the particular formula. By assumed mean, then this method, okay, this formula, and by step deviation, then this formula, okay. So this is about the group data, its formula. There are three methods, okay, or three formulas, okay. Now we switch over to grouped and ungrouped data. What is the meaning of it, okay? So first we consider your 9th standard syllabus, okay. In that it was ungrouped data. So first we start with the ungrouped data. Okay, maybe the question is find the mean of the following data, okay, where here it is given that numbers, and this is the frequency, okay. Numbers, maybe we can say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay. Here these are first 5 students we consider, roll number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or the marks obtained. Suppose we consider here that 1 marks out of 10, how many students got in your class, okay. So frequency means, suppose we can say here the 4 students got 1 mark, okay. 2 marks, how many students got? Maybe we can say it is a 6. 3 marks, how many students got 3 marks out of 10, we can say. So it is 10 students, okay. Then 4 marks, how many students got 4 marks? Then we can say it is a 7 student, okay. And last 5 marks, how many students got? So then here we can say it is a 3 students, okay. So this is the question given for the ungrouped data. Now here ungrouped, that means only the numbers will be given, no class will be there, okay. Class means it is like this, from 0 to 10, okay. So this is a class, so it will be considered as a group data, okay. Later on we will consider the group data example also, but this is for ungrouped. Here ungrouped means in the observation simply the numbers will be given, no class will be given, okay. So number is considered as a xi, okay. Frequency is considered as a fi, and sum of the frequency is considered as a sigma fi, or we can say it is n, sigma fi or n, anything you can write, okay. So we have to total this 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 10, 20, 20 plus 10, 30, okay. So maybe it is a 30 students class. Out of this 30, 4 students got 1 marks out of maybe 5 we consider, not 10, okay. 6 students got 2 marks, 10 students got 3 marks, 7 students got 4 marks, and intelligent 3 students, they got 5 out of 5, okay. So this is your data, okay. Numbers, first one. So in your table, the last, that is the left side first column is considered as a xi, okay. Second is considered as a frequency fi, and sum of the frequency, always remember this, sum of the frequency is considered as a sigma fi or n, okay. We have to total this. Now which formula for the ungrouped data we have to use? Then we can say x bar is equal to sigma fi xi upon n, okay. So here we don't have sigma fi xi, this is only sigma fi. So next we can say here we have to consider the third column that we have to prepare. It is fi xi. Fi xi means multiplication of fi and xi. 4 ones are 4, Then 6 2s are 12. Fi xi. Okay, multiplication Fi xi. 10 3s are 30. Then 7 4s are 28. 5 3s are 50. Okay, and sum of these is considered as a sigma Fi xi. Clear? Again we can say first column it will be given in your question xi, second is a Fi, this is also given in the question. You have to prepare only Fi xi. Okay, in a notebook you have to write down the table. First Fi you have to copy from your question, xi, then Fi you have to copy from your question, then Fi into xi, Fi xi. Okay, 4 1s are 4, 6 2s are 12, 10 3s are 30, 7 4s are 28, 5 3s are 50. So this is Fi xi and its sum is considered as a sigma Fi xi. So 8 plus 5, 13, 13 plus 2, 15, 15 plus 4, 19, 9. Carry 1. 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 3, 7, plus 1, 8. So sigma Fi xi is 89. Okay, and n is equal to 30. Now your formula is x bar is equal to sigma Fi xi upon n for ungrouped data. Clear? This is called ungrouped data. No class is given. Remember, okay? Ungrouped data, that means only the numbers are given. Then it is considered as a ungrouped data. So for ungrouped data, x bar mean we have to find out. Then it is a sigma Fi xi upon n. So sigma Fi xi is 89 upon 30. Okay, so maybe we can write like this, or for simplicity of calculation 3 into 10. So by 3 we can divide. 3 2s are 6, 2 carry, 3 9s are, okay, 27, 2 remain. Okay, just we put a 0. 3 6 are 18. Okay, now it will be recurring 0.666. Okay, so ultimately we can say the answer is 29.6 recurring. Okay, upon still 10 is remain. Okay, so here we can write it is 10 means the decimal will shift left side 1 digit, so it is 2.96. this is your x bar. Okay, this is a recurring number. You can say we can write 67 also in place of 6 dot. Okay, or 6 bar. So 2.96 or 2.97 also we can write. Okay, so this is your x bar 2.96. Okay, so here we can say that 2.96 is the mean of a given observations. Clear? So this is the ungrouped data we have to find. Generally maybe this type of the question ungrouped data may be asked in a 2 marks. Okay, so just consider this one. Okay, read it properly and then try to solve more examples. Okay, for ungrouped data we can say that in your textbook only one example is given and one question is there in a first exercise. So just go through it. If you require, then later I will give you more examples of ungrouped data in your exercise. Okay, for homework. So this is for the ungrouped data. Just do it. Okay, clear? Now second we consider it is for the grouped data. Okay, not ungrouped data. This one is clear? Okay, so go through this one. Just consider the calculations also. Okay, just go through this one and then try to solve it. Okay, this is the formula. Just put the value sigma Fi xi and n. Then calculations you have to do yourself. Clear? Okay. Now second one is for the group data. Okay, grouped data. So how it is group data? Okay, group data we can solve first of all by the simple general formula or general method. Okay, question, here it will be written class. In your question it will be given that solve the following question by general method or general formula and find out its mean. So first class is given and frequency just I am writing Fi only. Clear? Maybe here the class is like this. 1 to 10 or 0 to 10. Okay, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50. Okay, means what? Suppose maybe we can say that there is an exam of a maths paper, okay, which is of a total 50 marks. Okay, out of 50, 0 to 10, maybe some student got 0 marks like me who don't know anything about the maths. So in a 50 marks exam I got 0 marks, so I will be here. Okay, no need to put a lines. Maybe you have studied in the telemarks. Okay, that is the telemarks you have studied in the 9th standard. No need to put telemarks, it is directly given 0, then maybe 1, 2, 3 up to 10. Okay, so that students will be here. How many students are there? Maybe we can say that here it is a 5 students because it is a very good class. Okay, then 10 to 20 marks. How many students are there? We can say it is a 9 students. Okay, then 10 to 20 to 30. How many students are there? Then we can say it is a 15 students. And here it is suppose. Okay, so this is your data. For adjustment I am writing these numbers. 0 to 10, total 5 students got between 0 to 10. Okay, then 10 to 20, how many are there? 9. Okay, 20 to 30, 15, 30 to 40, 20. Okay, and 40 to 50, 1 student. Okay, so this is considered as a group data, 0 to 10. Okay, because the number increases 0 to 50. Earlier in ungrouped data we have taken only 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so number was less. Here the number increases from 0 to 50. So then we have to group the data, 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 10 is repeating here, 20 is also repeating, 30 is also repeating, 40 is also repeating. Okay, forget it. This is considered as a closed data. If it is repeating the number, then it is considered as a closed data. Okay, now first what you have to do, sum of this Fi we have to total, and sum of the total of Fi is considered as a n. Okay, 5 plus 9. Okay, so 5 plus 9 or 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 10, 20, 0, 2 carry, 2 plus 2, 4 plus 1, 5. So total how many students are there in your class? 50 students. In a 50 marks exam they got this data. Okay, now what is our formula for general method? Then again we can say same we are using. It is x bar is equal to sigma fi xi upon n. Okay, maybe this is called fi, but where is the xi? This is not considered as a xi. Okay, then how to find out xi? So just write down here xi. xi means it is the mid value of a class. Just take one example. This is the first class, 0 to 10. How to find out the mean value? Then mid value, that is called xi. Okay, so lower value plus upper value divided by 2. 0 plus 10 divided by 2. Okay, so it is 0 plus 10, it is 10 divided by 2, so it is 5. So first xi is 5. Okay, similarly 10 to 20, just I am changing over here only. 10 to 20, second class. Clear? 10 plus 20 divided by 2, same formula. So it is 20 plus 10, it is 30 divided by 2, so it is 15. Clear? For next 20 to 30, so it is 50 divided by 2, so it is 25. Now here the question arises that this is again, we can say it is a small data, only 5. Maybe it is more. Okay, every time you have to find out the mid value, then it is a critical, or we can say it is a tedious job. Okay, or it will be a time consuming method. Clear? Just the shortcut method, we can say here it is just find out the mid value of the first class, 0 to 10. So 0 plus 10 divided by 2. Clear? So it is 5. Now what is the class length? Class length means 0 to 10. How many digits are there? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, 10, don't take it here. 10 is here. Okay, so total 10 numbers are there. So class length of each class, it is a 10. Okay, so add 10 to your previous xi. 5 plus 10, 15. So it will be the mid value of second class. 15 plus 10, 25. That will be the mid value of third class. Similarly, 25 plus 10. So how much it is? 35. And here it is 45. So this way we can say by short method, just we have to find out first mid value of a class, 0 to 10, whatever it is given, 5 to 15, then 15 plus 5, 20 divided by 2. Okay, like that, whatever the class is given, you have to find out first mid value by the formula 0 plus 10, or whatever the numbers here given, add this plus this divided by 2, and then find out the class length. Clear? Or simply 10 minus 0, it is 10. 20 minus 10, it is 10. 30 minus 20, it is 10. So class length is a 10. Okay, so add 10 to the previous number. 5 plus 10, 15 plus 10, 25 plus 10, 35 plus 10, 45. Clear? So this is your xi. Now here in the formula we require fi xi. Okay, so fi and xi, 5 5s are 25, 9 15s are, so it is a 15 into 9. It is 135. Okay, 15 into 25. $375. Okay, 35 twos are 70 and 0, 700, and this is 45. Okay, so this is your fi xi observations. Clear? So just add this. So it is sigma fi xi is equal to 5 plus 5, 10 plus 10, 20, 0, 2 carry, 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 7, 13, 13 plus 3, 16, 17, 18, 1 carry. Okay, 8, 8 plus 3, 11, 11 plus 1, 12. So it is 1218. Okay, now simply put this value here, 1280 upon n is equal to 50. 0 0 cut. Okay, 5 2s are 10, 2 carry, 5 5s are 25, 3. So it is 5 6 are 30. So x bar is equal to 25.6. If you don't understand this calculation, do it yourself. Okay, 128 upon 5. So just divide 128 by 5. 0 0 cancel. So ultimately answer is 25.6. So it will be your mean. Okay, so here 25 means it will be here in this class. 25.6 it will be here. So this is your mean class. Okay, so simply by this method we can find out the data. Okay, so now in your exercise, that is your 14.1, whatever the sums are given of ungrouped data and grouped data in which all the frequencies will be given. Okay, so homework I will give you in your WhatsApp message. Okay, so accordingly you have to try only general method. Okay, so today just we stop up to the general method. Okay, clear? So you will not be having any hesitation. Or second method next time we will take. Okay, so today up to this only. Okay, tomorrow we will start the next one also. Thank you.